Intelligence Bureau General Knowledge Most Important MCQs. Who was the first woman to run for President of United States? Victoria Woodhull. Degrees on a map are divided into 60 equal parts. What are these parts called? Minutes. The total area of the earth is 52 times greater than the area of US. Capital of Germany is Berlin. Which country invited ice hockey? Canada. How many delegates can each country send to the UN General Assembly? 5. Indian city Mumbai consists of how many Iceland? 8. The world's oldest surviving federation, United States. Marco Polo was a famous Italian traveler. Badshahi Mosque, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in Pakistan. The most populous country in Africa, Nigeria, South Africa. Book The Idea of Pakistan is written by Stephen Flip. Who was Prime Minister of Pakistan in December 1988? Benazir Bhutto. How many members of European Union not use euro as a currency? 8. How was the founder of Afghanistan? Ahmad Shah.